Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to animate an image in Filmora, create stunning image animations, easy Wondershare Filmora tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, it's time to go ahead and add in the clips that we want to use. So you should be able to find the one under media, and we have import media in here. Simply click onto that to browse onto your different files or drag and drop the images or videos that you want to use. So as you can see, I've successfully added already mine in here. Let's go ahead and add this to the timeline. So you could simply drag and drop it in here. So we'll start with the video first. And then we're going to add in the image that we want to animate. So we're going to drag it here onto the upper part of the video, just like that. So as you can see, this is how our current clips should look like. So this is the preview for that. So the photo is in there and the video as well. So what we need to do, we're going to add in an animation onto the photo in here. If you click onto that, you should be able to see here under image, we have animation. So just click onto the arrow icon and click onto animation. So there are a lot of animation options in here that you could choose from to go ahead to style how your photo should work together with a video. So we have your zoom in, so we could click onto that, and we'll just have to drag this to add this here onto the timeline. So you're just gonna add this to the clip here, and once it is added, this is how it should look like. So as you can see, there is a zoom in effect or animation onto the photo added in here. So let's gonna go ahead and undo that. There are a lot of things that you could try to do instead of doing that. So just simply click onto the photo in here. So you could try out other animation as well in here, like slide left. We're just gonna go ahead and drag it in here onto the photo, just like this. So just drag it onto the part where you want to add this. Now if you move onto this part, it should go ahead and add the animation onto that part. So we could also add this part here. I'm gonna click onto this again, add in another, like fade in. So we're gonna go ahead and try to add onto this part. And this is how our photo together with the video should look like. And that is how to animate an image in Filmora. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.